welcome back to Gavin's World, and let me show you some of the dinosaur videos. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh my! Oh! Wow, that house is bigger for the T-Rex. Got away. Seriously, you gotta let it come away. Wow. Oh my. Watch out! Oh man. I just got so. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Hey monkey! Hey! No! Get off of it! Go! No! You don't do it! No! Oh my gosh! No! Get that person! Oh my gosh! You were almost gonna get in trouble! No! Oh my gosh, there was a person over there. Oh, monkey! No! Hey, you're not going that way. No! Hey! Stop it! Monkey! Monkey, stop! Oh, good. No, he's the first trout! Oh, man! Kitty? Watch out, Kitty! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh my gosh, Kitty. Could have gotten hooked. Oh my gosh, Kitty! The T-Rex! T-Rex attack! What the heck? Oh my. Oh my eye. Get out of the monkey bar. No. Hey, check it out of here. Okay, right now we got the time to dance, cow. Oh, get out of here, man, not to dance. Hey, monkey, do you have any idea where we came from? I know. Go. Bye. Oh, look. Get off the doors. Hello. Look at Ducky. A dog. Oh. Oh my gosh, Kitty! The T-Rex! T-Rex attack!